What's up, guys? Today I want to tell you about this awesome 400 watt charging station. Now the company sent me this over to check out, so let's go ahead and take a look. As far as what you're going to get here, of course, you're going to get the unit here itself. You will get a car adapter. This is going to allow you to charge this with your car, which is awesome. So it's a 12 volt car adapter. You get your normal power adapter, which again, you can use to charge this, and you get a full set of instructions. As we take a closer look at the unit itself, one thing I love right off the bat is that we do have a nice handle that's going to allow you to carry this with you. It's just going to make things a lot easier. Now, all of your connections are going to be right here on the front, and everything is really nicely labeled as well. So we get two normal 110 volt AC power connections here. These do have ground, and these both can pull the full 400 watts. So you can get 400 watts completely out of just the two sockets, which is nice. So if you did want to power something, maybe like some speakers or something like that, that's going to pull a lot of power, you can definitely do it through these sockets. We have our USBs right up here, and you're going to get two USB Type-C and two USB Type-A. Now the Type-C's, one's a quick charge 3.0, and then the other one is a 65 watt port. So you could essentially power a tablet or a laptop off of the Type-C here, and then the Type-A's, one's just a normal Type-A, and then the second one, which is color-coded, is going to be your quick charge 3.0. So if your device does support quick charge, you can use it with this Type-A. Over here, we have our car adapter, or our 12 volt marine adapter here that you can use for a multitude of different devices. And then you have four 12 volt DC power connections. Now on the side here, you can see that we do have a fan that's going to turn on when you use the AC power connections, and we do have our power input here. So again, this can be used with the normal AC adapter as well as the car adapter. And then on the back, we do have a light, which I will show you. And now we're ready to use this. Now you do need to charge it up. So we plug in the AC adapter. And when you do, right on the front, there is indication that does, let you know that it is charging, and it will show you the level that you are getting your charge from, which is great. So we'll unplug that and just get that out of the way. Now, what you want to do initially is the different ports need to be turned on themselves. So everything will be labeled, here when you turn it on. So say we want to turn on our Type-C's, we just hit the power button, and you can see on the display that it lets us know that our Type-C's are active. So if we wanted to plug something in, say we wanted to plug in our phone here, let's use this one. This is a Type-A to Type-C. We'll plug that in. It's plugged in, and we'll go ahead and charge. And we are charging. Really easy to go ahead and do that. Now, again, the cool thing about this is, again, we do get that 65 watt port on here. So I do have a 240 watt cable here, a Type-C cable. So that's going to actually charge my laptop. So if I plug this in to my laptop on this side, plug it in, and it's going to be hard to see, but you can see that the light there turns on, meaning that we're getting charged through the Type-C on here. Now, if I wanted to go ahead and use the ports down here, I'll unplug these just to get them out of the way. So what you want to do is the same thing, hit the AC button, and now the little AC turns on. So you can see the AC turns on, and that fan will kick on as well. But now the AC ports are active. So I'm going to take the actual power adapter that came with my laptop. We'll go ahead and plug that in, and then we'll plug our laptop in. And you can see the LED turns on, meaning that we are getting charged to our laptop. Really easy to go ahead and do that. The DC ports would be the same way. So you just hit the button and then they'll become active there as well. Really easy to see what's available to go ahead and charge. Now the light here on the back. So there's this light on the back. And what you do to activate the light is you double tap the DC. That's going to enable the light. So we double tap. And that enables the light on the back. So if I hit it, it's going to go ahead and turn on, and it is decently bright. So if you needed to, if you're taking this camping or something like that, this is going to be a bright light. This is on its lowest setting. We can hit it. It's going to get a little bit brighter. We can hit it again, and it's going to get really bright. And then there's two modes. There's a flashing mode, and then there's an SOS mode. So here's the flashing mode, and then the SOS mode, and then you can go ahead and turn it off. So really multifunctional device. Again, 400 watts out of this, which is just awesome in its smaller size. You get the handle, it's extremely easy to use, and you have quick charging for, all of our smart devices and things like that, but you still get the two AC ports as well as all of the DC connections, and you get the screen up here that tells you, what's active, what's charging, and everything like that. Super easy to use. So if you are looking for a portable power station, this is one that I would definitely recommend.